Here are the list for top 10 best dress for Star Magical Christmas 2024. For our 10th spot, we have Dong Pat. No? Kung nakapanood kayo ng PBB Gen 11, nasaksihan nyo ang kanilang istorya at tignan nyo naman ang kanilang look. Partner talaga sila in crime. For our 9th spot, we have Gwen and Jolie from PBB Gen 11 din. Black and white naman ito, di ba? Napaka-cute tignan. And for 8th spot, we have Emilio Daez and Ayana Perlas. Parehas silang nag-host sa mga events ng ABS-CBN at matchy talaga sila. For our 7th spot, we have JP and Jazz ng PBB Gen 11. Napaka-cute lang talaga nilang tignan, no? And also their look. Ito naman, 6th spot, we have the real and real love team talaga in real life na sina Ronnie Alonte at Loisa Andalio. Green and white ang kanilang pair. 5th spot naman ang real life couple din na sina Chi Filomeno and Jake Cuenca. Napaka-modern at napaka-mature ng kanilang look. Ballerina naman ang peg ni Chi Filomeno. Napaka-sexy. 4th spot naman, we have Kauri and Jeremiah na may series sila na talaga naman tinatangkilik sila ng sambayan ng kapamilya at nakakakilig silang tignan, di ba? For our 3rd spot naman, talagang all red naman with white polo, itong si Seth Fedelin. At pag naman silang dalawa, napaka-cute yet expensive nilang tignan, hindi ba? More for that sa kanilang pelikulang My Future You sa MMFF. 2nd spot naman, ito talaga namang nilaban ko ito dahil napakaganda nilang tignan. Para silang wedding, may wedding bells ako naririnig dahil napaka-white, pure, at napaka-sexy talaga ni Jane. First spot naman, ang Dawn Bell na may series silang How to Spot a Red Flag sa View. Streaming na yan. At tignan nyo naman, di ba? Expensive, napaka-luxurious ng kanilang look. Bagay na bagay talaga sa kanilang outfit. At dahil dyan, sila ang top 1 dito sa couple edition ng top 10 best dressed ng Star Magical Christmas 2024. More of updates ng kapamilya, kapuso man yan, at entertainment showbiz. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Jayco Manangan TV. Till next time.